Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Food. You know when you go to a restaurant and you see a food item on the menu that sounds so incredible? Of course, you ordered it and then when you taste it, it's not bad, but it's not amazing. That's exactly what happened to me when I had pasta e fagioli. But, of course there's a but, after making it at home with tasty modifications, here's my version of this hearty one-pot soup perfect for the season. So let's get cooking. In a Dutch oven, we'll add diced bacon, but pancetta is a better option. And to find out why I didn't use any, read the blog. Then we'll turn the heat on medium. Starting it in a cold pot will render the fat slowly, cooking the bacon evenly, which will make it crispy. We'll saute the meat for just a couple minutes before adding oil if needed. My bacon wasn't fatty enough, so that's why adding that extra fat will prevent it from sticking at the bottom of the pot. We'll continue to saute the bacon for 3 more minutes before adding our mirepoix, which is onions, celery, and carrots, all chopped the same size. We'll lightly season the veggies with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper, or should I say freshly mixed peppercorns. I don't really use black that often. We'll mix the ingredients very well and cook for 6 minutes, stirring often. A few minutes later, we'll add my Italian seasoning, which the link for this recipe is showing on the top right corner of your screen. Some red pepper flakes, just a little, and also 5 large chopped garlic. Yes, I do chop my garlic occasionally, but I still prefer pressing them. We'll quickly saute everything for only 60 seconds. We don't want to burn the spices or the garlic. Now, if you think that the mixture is sticking too much, add a touch of olive oil to it. Next, we'll add tomato paste, and to salvage the leftovers, click on the link at the top right corner. And then we'll stir to coat. To this, we'll add a 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes, followed by chicken broth and a large bay leaf. We'll stir, bring the mixture to a boil, and then reduce back to medium. We'll now add the pasta. I'm using the tahini, but any other small pasta will do. Then stir and cook until the pasta is done, about 8 to 9 minutes, stirring occasionally, just to make sure nothing sticks at the bottom. When time is up, we'll add pinto beans and also red kidney beans, both drained and rinsed. Plus, baby spinach, although arugula is a great substitute. We'll stir until everything is nicely blended before adding some freshly squeezed lemon juice. And of course, we'll give a quick stir. When the mixture returns to a simmer, we'll set our timer for 5 minutes, and although there's a lot of liquid in it, we'll revisit the pot a few times to stir. 5 minutes later, we'll add some fresh chopped parsley because it has incredible health benefits. It tastes good, plus it's colorful. We'll give a quick stir and let's not forget to taste and adjust seasonings if needed. We'll ladle the soup into warm bowls and garnish with grated Parmesan cheese. And my friends, this is our pasta e fagioli. This classic Italian soup is packed with tasty ingredients. It's delicious, comforting, and so satisfying. Served with crusty bread, this is a bowl of yumminess to enjoy this season. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit! Bye.